Just heading up the Waitawheta Valley with the crew. It's a bit of a tree, yeah. See that steam on the rocks? This is a mill in the middle of the forest. Not sure. So we've just come from way over the other side of that ridge, that gully, right down the bottom of that gully, walked all the way up there. As you can see, it's a little larger than the standard New Zealand ant, and these ones pack a punch. We'll just get through it as quick as we can. Fucking strobe. Nothing quite like it for soothing the blood. Follow me, follow. Down to the hollow. We came from way up there. Up along that ridge.